I want to register a fingerprint on the WL20. This device is perceived to be a new device, so we are going to be registering the admin right now. So when you buy a device, the admin is the first person you should register before registering other users. That is the advisable pattern to follow. So what you need to do is go to the menu. To go to the menu, you click the M/OK. The M stands for menu, and then you click it, and the menu comes up, and then we have an array of options, and then we click OK on the user menu there, and then when we click OK, we have two dialogues: the add user and the user management. The user management is used to manage users that you've already registered on the device. Peradventure, an employee leaves your office and you want to take him out, you can always use the user management to edit his access or delete his access, whichever one you want to do. So now we want to add a user, so all we just have to do is click the OK button again, and then we get to an interface that shows us the ID, the name, the fingerprint, the password, the department, and the purview. The purview basically has to do with the rights of the person, if the person is an ordinary user or an admin. So right now we are registering for the admin because this is the first person to be registered on the device. So I already have an ID of 1, and I put my arrow down to move to the name option. So when I move to the name option, I just have to press OK to bring out the alphabet, because if I press it directly, it's just going to be numbers that will be coming out. We don't want numbers, we want the alphabet. So I'm going to delete that and then press the OK. Then the OK brings out the alphabet. All I just have to do is type my name, yes, and that's that. And I press escape to get out. Then I scroll down to enroll fingerprint. So this is it. I press the OK button, and as you can see, there's a seal here. I just have to take out the seal just to register my fingerprint on this device. So this is the seal. You can always take it out to get a smooth registration. So I take out the seal, and then I input my fingerprint. 1. I need to scan my fingerprint 3 times, and then it registered my fingerprint. I've successfully registered my fingerprint on this. I've enrolled my fingerprint on this device. Then I scroll down to user, and then I move to administrator. From user to administrator, and then I press OK. I have successfully saved my identity on this device as an admin. So let's go to user management. You can see my record is here, and I press OK. You can see my details. Like I said, you can always edit this, and I change my rights to a user, change it to an admin. So whatever it is I want to do, I can do it right on my WL20 device. That is that about registering a user on this device. Thank you.